Okay, when it downloaded, you'll press continue, press use GarageBand. Then you'll go to audio recorder. Well, you can use your iTunes or you can just record it, So you press OK. I'll just keep it dry. Keep the tone how it is. Then what you want to do, first of all, you know that triangle with the line and like a line out? Where it's blue? You need to press that so it's not blue. Because then it'll do like a ticking noise. And then, you can do is get another device. And then when you want to start it, then you press the record button, this one. Then it will record. And then when it gets to here, it will automatically end when it goes to here. And then once you've done it, okay, I'm just gonna record my voice for it. Okay. Hello, mate. This is my ringtone. It's not really good, but I don't know why I'm doing it. It's for the video. Okay, there. It's done, okay? Then once you've done it, well, it's gonna be all filled. Okay, let me do this again. Hello, this is my ringtone. I love ringtones. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I have to do this. I don't know why. Don't know why. Why? And then it's done. It's done, and then you press. Well, if you want to do it the iTunes way, then you press these arrows with this one, audio recorder. No, and I think you go on master effect. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. You go to the settings, I think. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, then. No, you go. No, you go to this. No, you don't. No, you don't actually. Wait. Go to this. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you do. No, you do. What did I just do? Okay. What am I doing right now? I completely forgot. This is the volume. Oh yeah. It's like a circle thing. And then you go to music. Then you can choose your albums. Or you can import from your iCloud drive. So, or you could use these actually. Okay. Then once you've done that, it will go there. And then you'll press My Songs. And then you'll press Select and select it. And then press this on. And then the ringtone. Then you can name the ringtone. Name it. And then one plays green. Export it. And then it'll export. Then you press Use Sound As. You can press it as your normal ringtone, your text tone, or you can make it a contact, and you can press done. And then you can go off to settings, and then you can go to sounds, then go on ringtone for example, then it'll be there. And then I already go on and this. So that is the end of this video. It is the end. Peace out from Lemon Games.